Hi, this is my cough syrup and it's called BENYLIN.
BENYLIN?
Yeah, and we supposed to drink it with a spoon, but because if you don't drink the cough will go all around the place and we will get all cough of you above you.
Shall we drink it now? Shall we have one spoon?
Maybe one spoon, yeah.
Okay. Let's open.
And give me some BENYLIN, please.
And then let's put it in the spoon. 5 mils. And voila! For a very
So soft.
This is nice.
Oh no.
One more. No, it's only 5 mils.